Hello!
We are stuck in the middle of a lake.
And you might think on this lake there's nothing to see, either above water or underwater.
But you're wrong!
There is a lot to see here that you won't see anywhere else in the world. Like the fishermen who paddle with their feet. Fish with their giant nets. Or do this with the water. There's also a floating village, kind of like Venice, just a little bit less romantic. And inside these houses, you can find the silver makers and the textile makers. But these guys have longer necks. And we're finally done with the beautiful nature of Myanmar!